Monster Trucks by Mark Todd. Monster trucks, giant dirt dumping trucks, heaving and hauling heavy loads of rubble, tipping his load without any trouble. Monster trucks, green gargling garbage trucks, eating and crunching, munching and slurping. Just don't be around when this guy starts burping. Monster trucks, sloshing steel tanker trucks, a milk-hungry heifer, a big-bellied beast, a vitamin D dose for strong bones and teeth. Monster trucks, big bulldozer trucks, scraping and shoveling with a sneering tooth blade, leveling the earth for roads to be laid. Monster trucks, smooth steamroller trucks. He'll squash and crush and flatten out anything that comes under his powerful snout. Monster trucks, flame-fighting fire trucks, sirens wailing and blaring, lights blazing and whirring, rushing off to put out whatever is burning. Monster trucks, rolling round mixer trucks, belly churning and turning, jumbling and tumbling. For all that he eats, you'd think he'd stop grumbling. Monster trucks, 18-wheel semi-trucks, stacks huffing and puffing, engine creating a roar. From coast to coast, that's a big 10-4. Monster trucks, heavy-duty digging trucks, using a steely clawed arm with a 30-foot reach. What a great shoveling partner to have at the beach. Monster trucks, mighty massive monster trucks. They squash and crush, churn and crunch, pack and stack, and mix and munch. Now that we've read the story, Monster Trucks, here's some really cool information about the trucks. Chuck is a dump truck. It weighs 105 tons empty, 275 tons full. Wow. Top speed is 34 miles per hour. Wow, that's really slow. And 7 miles per hour in reverse. Oh. Tires, they're 9.5 feet tall. That is really big. That's taller than my ceilings. Special feature is a hydraulic pump that can lift and dump a load in 15 seconds. And that's good. Stink is a garbage truck. We probably could have figured that one out. The weight is 17 tons, empty, and he can hold the capacity up to 20 cubic yards of trash. Special feature is a hydraulic compacting jaw that can crush a couch in seconds. Yeah, we don't want to be inside of that. Senor Moo is a milk tanker truck. Its length is 67 feet. Its weight is 15 tons empty and 35 tons full. The capacity is 40,000 pounds of milk. That is 4,793 gallons of milk. So if you took a gallon of milk out of your refrigerator, you would need 4,793 of those to fill Senor Moo. The special feature is milk is pumped into the storage tank at 1,200 to 1,500 pounds per minute. Wow, that's really fast. Suction hoses unload the tank in less than 15 minutes. Wow. A dozer. We all know what a dozer is. It's a bulldozer. Weight is 42 tons. The blade is 14 feet wide. And the special feature is a heavy-duty blade has reinforced steel cutting teeth for easy tearing. You know, the bucket on the front of a bulldozer has those funny little teeth. It can tear through the dirt and rip up roots. Really cool. Smoosh is a roller truck. It weighs 17 tons. The roller width is 84 inches. Compaction pressure is 26,550 pounds per square inch. That would definitely flatten you like a pancake. A special feature is there's a water spray system that keeps the rollers cool on hot asphalt. Big Red. Now you know what a Big Red is. Big Red is a fire truck or ladder truck. Its length is 40 feet. It weighs 22 tons. The ladder reaches up to 100 feet. Top speed is 75 miles per hour. And the special feature is that it carries 800 feet of hose, which can pump up to 1,500 gallons of water per minute. That's a lot of water. We have to have all that water so that we can get the fire put out fast. Mish-Mash. Mish-Mash is a concrete mixer. It weighs 18 tons empty, and its capacity, which means it holds 12 cubic yards. The chute is 10 feet long and can be rotated in order to guide the cement. The chute is what the cement comes out of the truck and down onto the concrete that you're going to be pouring, like a driveway or a sidewalk or a basketball court. Its special feature is a barrel that spins one way to mix the cement and spins the other way to pour. And I know you've seen cement trucks going down the street, and it's turning. That's to keep the cement moving so it doesn't stick inside. And then when it pours, it'll go the other way so that the concrete pours out the chute. Long John is a semi-trailer truck, like an 18-wheeler. The length is up to 80 feet, weighs 18 tons empty, and up to 40 tons full. The capacity is 35,000 cubic feet, and its special feature is 18 wheels and a sleeper compartment with bunk beds and a television. A driver may travel more than 175,000 miles a year. That's a long way. It would be really cool to be able to sleep in the back of a truck in one of the bunk beds. That's neat. Dug, a digger or excavator. The height is 15 feet to the top of the cab. The length of the arm is 38 feet. The weight is 104 tons. And the special feature is a hydraulic arm that can reach up to 44 feet high and dig 28 feet down. You see a lot of those when they're doing construction, building buildings, digging in the dirt. Very cool. Now, a joke from Little Blue Truck. Why did Little Blue Truck stop driving? He got tired. That looks like Grandma. Grandma's so glad that you came to listen to Monster Trucks. Please come back and listen to more stories from Grandma.